Okay, John, I'm not sure where to take this now. I mean, maybe I'll just throw it out there without any commentary. 51% said waterboarding was okay. 28% said it went too far.
Exactly. Not waterboarding per se, but we talked about the
interrogation.
Yeah, exactly. The techniques that have been in the news. Now, I don't know how much people actually appreciated what those were, but the point is, the American public does not share the sense of outrage that Senate Democrats did
the mainstream media. I mean, I watched it the way it was presented at the New York Times. This is like yesterday was like the 5th day in a row where torture was in the headline on the right side of the paper. And I read a piece by
this has been true for a long time,
I know,
Joe.
but I read a great piece by the guy in the Post, like Goodwin or whatever his name is. Just if the New York Times can occupy a position of moral superiority, they are going to run with it. But I wonder if they know they're talking to a country that's at 51-28, John.
Look, in our surveys consistently since 9/11, we have showed that the American people favor a forward-leaning approach to this, which is what the Bush administration did. Now, that doesn't mean that what the Bush administration did was right or wrong.
I know.
But it is an indication that Democrats have only so far that they can push on this issue as a political matter, because the further they push, the more they're going to lead the American people.
Did you read the Bret Stephens piece yesterday also? Like I said, I don't want to delve too much into this because, you know, it's not our domain, but Bret Stephens had a great piece. Khalid Sheikh Mohammed is the guy that cut off Danny Pearl's head and said, this is my sacred right arm. And he's still around. And we you know, the president himself, we've dropped a few drones where there may have been some unintended consequences as well. And the guys we do drop them on, we weren't just trying to waterboard them, Donna. I think we're trying to kill them. Are we not?
Yes. Now, look, obviously the question, Joe, and you know, it takes everyone comes to their own conclusion, but the question is, how far do you go before you become what you're fighting against?
I hear you. I know. I hear.